As you already know, for you to become a profitable trader, you must know both technical and fundamental analysis. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to trade the news, like the pro traders. So if you'll be looking for ways to trade news, not only trade news, but also know when the news will be coming out, which time you should trade the news, and how you can trade this news, then watch this video to the end. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and that's how we grow the channel. So let's get started. First things first, you need to get to your Chrome and search for Forex Factory. So once you search for Forex Factory, you will come to this area here. Now, don't get overwhelmed. This is very simple to understand. So first thing you have to do once you get to the Forex Factory is to filter out your search. That's the pairs. Click on this icon here. You can see this icon here, like a funnel. Just click on it. So now, once you come to this calendar filter, so you see the currency, you see the event types, you see expected impacts. Now I'll break it down line by line. Now, expected impact means if you see the red, it means high impact. Then the orange means medium impact. This means it doesn't affect the market much. High impact, the red, means it affects. This news will definitely affect the market and is not recommended to trade when there is a high impact news because the market will be very volatile. I don't know if you understand me. Now this one that is bank holiday, this first one is the bank holiday, and this is a very low impact. This is a low impact. The yellow is a low impact news. So you have to just untick two of them because what we'll be looking at for are the high impact and medium impact newses. You understand? So in the event types, you can just leave all of them. You can leave all of them here. Then on the currency, select none, then select USD. That's because that's the pair you'll be using. Now apply filter. So once you're back here, you notice two things, and that is the low impact news and the bank holiday news are no longer here. So you only have the medium impact news, which is the orange, and the high impact news, which is the red. So why we have this, or why we'll be focusing on this, is because these are economic releases. So what this basically means is that they affect the market. Once they are released, the market automatically becomes very volatile. So trading this is very you have to be very careful. Now it's advised you wait 1 hour after this news are released before you enter a trade. So you have to understand the concepts behind this news for you to be able to trade them. Now, there are different types. You have the CPI, you have the NFP, and so on. So basically, each one affects the market differently, and basically, it as well makes the market volatile. Now, there are negative and positive news, which will either affect the market positively or negatively. So understanding how to trade this is very important. So before it's released, the date it will be released will come out. As you can see, there is date, the date it will release, and time it will be released. Now if you see is if you want to trade, for instance, you want to trade at 6 p.m. and you notice that there will be a red impact news at 6 p.m., it's advised you wait 1 hour after this news drops before you enter the trade. By doing so, you have waited for the market to stabilize and seen a clear direction, then you follow through. But entering the market at this exact time the news is releasing or before the news drops, you won't know where the market will be heading to depending on the type of news that is dropped. So if you are based off solely on trading technical analysis, is not advised or is not advisable to go solo only on technical analysis. So you have to check the news to know if something will affect your trade. I don't know if you understand. So now, if this news is going to affect it negatively, you'll be looking for short opportunities. If it will affect it positively, you'll be looking for long opportunity. So this is why it's very important to check the market, the news, this Forex Factory anytime you want to trade. Now, because of the volatile nature of these trades, you'll be looking out for three. Personally, I look out for three news events. Now, one is the CPI, the second is the NFP, and the third is the PPI. So these news are what you look out for, because when this news drops, the market will be extremely volatile, and it's advised you start the market at this time this news drops. So you can see the PPI will be dropping on Thursday 1:30 p.m. If I wanted to trade on Thursday at 1:30 p.m, I will actually have to wait to at least 2:30, that's 1 hour after the news drops, to know if the market stabilizes and see a clearer picture from my technical analysis. Remember, technical analysis complements fundamental, fundamental complements technical. So these two have to work hand in hand for it to be a profitable trade. You understand? Sometimes people rush into trading and forgetting that this is a full-time job. It's not a part-time job. You have to be very cautious of every money you are putting in the market. So you will lose. Normally you will lose, but so you will lose less. You understand? So trading technical analysis without fundamental analysis is just going out blindly, because you don't know the time the market will change based off on fundamentals. Now you can see, if I have this information in my hand and I know by 3 o'clock there is a news, or by where the another CIP is, or there's 1:30, I already know that the market will be volatile at this point, so I'll be going in cautiously. Now, what it means going in cautiously is by reducing my risks, and as well waiting for the market to stabilize, then seeing a clearer view and knowing if this news will affect the market negatively or positively. That will make me decide on whether my technical analysis is actually correct. So basically, this is how you can use your Forex factory to analyze the fundamental analysis and read news and trade off news. You understand? It's not complicated, it's very simple and easy and straightforward. You understand? So basically, if you want to become a profitable trader, you have to know how to balance the two, for both fundamental and technical analysis. And with the two knowledge, you can enter the market confidently and know what you are doing exactly. So if you find this video helpful, in one more of these videos, in one more practical way to enter the trade using the technical analysis, drop a comment in the comment section and I will do a video about that. You understand? Please as well, don't forget to subscribe and share this video and turn on the bell notification for my new posts. Let's go.